Hello everyone. Many people, when they have such equation, they do first the subtraction, then the division, then the addition. So what they get here, they do 12 minus 4, which equals to 8. Then they do the division, and then they do the addition. So they get 16 plus 2, they get 18. But this, of course, is incorrect because they forget to follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. So in first place, we always need to do parentheses. We don't have it. E stands for exponents. We need to do it in the second. Then in third place, we need to do multiplication and division. They have equal priorities, and we need to do it from left to right. In our case, we have division, so we will do it first. Then we have addition and subtraction, which we need to do it in the fourth place. So we have addition and subtraction. So the correct way would be first to do the division. If you guys remember here, you need to follow the KCF rules, where K stands for keep the first, change the sign, and F stands for flip the second. And here the result would be 12 minus 8 plus 2. So we have 6. Thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Ciao, ciao.